Welcome to KRIPAL factory. Here, we'll show you the production of our AC coil automated line. This AC coil automated production line showcases our dedication to quality, efficiency, and innovation. First, we secure high-quality metal components onto the plastic bobbin. These parts are carefully selected for their durability and conductivity. Now, watch the automatic copper wire winding. Our copper wire is of premium quality, ensuring top-notch conductivity. The number of winding turns strictly adheres to international standards. Our automated system is the key. It precisely controls each turn, eliminating human error and ensuring product consistency. This means every coil is of the same high quality, regardless of production volume. Thanks to automation, we achieve high production efficiency. We can easily meet the large and urgent demands of our international customers. Our products are designed to exceed the high standards of overseas clients. We focus on quality at every step, from material selection to the final product. KRIPAL, the mark of reliability for your safety.